Rockford, Illinois used to be known as the screw capital of the world. They produced a lot of hardware and hinges for the furniture companies, and also Rockford was known for building large machineries in the early 70s to the early 80s.
I took over Obsidian Manufacturing in 2018, and towards the end of that year, our lease was coming up and we were trying to find a place to move to. We have a lot of family history in the manufacturing community in Rockford. In 1984, David started as a machinist at my father's company, and my dad was a machinist in the Belvedere area and moved to the Rockford area to work in the 1960s. So it was just really important to stay in or close to Rockford, and I'm glad that we were able to stay actually in East Rock Industrial Park. It's a good fit for us. We ended up acquiring Stieg Grinding Corporation. In that process, we acquired their grinding equipment. We acquired 6 Matson grinders. We sold 2 of them immediately to make room for our own equipment. We moved our other Matson grinder over here, so we have a total of 5 Matson grinders that were all manufactured in Rockford, Illinois in the 1960s.
We use our Madison grinders that were produced here in Rockford and the Ardor grinders that we produce here in Rockford. Our grinders that we use provide superior parallelism, flatness, and finish for our customers' parts.
Lots of big manufacturing names have Rockford history to them, but so many of those companies have been bought, sold, traded, went out of business, and a lot of the manufacturing in the area has declined. I'd love to see it come back. I think it's important. I think the only way that we're going to get manufacturing in the United States to really take off is to see a lot of areas like Rockford come back.